you are watching the Bharat and I'm Nancy presenting a today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headline first. Over 20,000 rags, 33 lakhs trucks, soaring fact and figure letter to ED. Sri Lankan Navy attacked Tamil Nadu fisherman. Uttarakhand forest official booked after tiger killed in firing. Russian missile strike target Ukrainian gas production facilities. Now news in detail. Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren on Thursday accused the Bharatiya Janata Party of having falsely implicated him in connection with allegation of illegal mining worth 1,000 crore in state Sabeganj district. He claimed Ravi Kejriwal, a former member of the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, had given incorrect statement at the behest of the BJP. Kejriwal has since then has become many sworn enemy, and I would not be surprised if he has made false allegation to settle personal scores, the chief minister wrote. The union government has sought from the ministry detail of the functioning of Gandhi Institution Club and Conference Center. According to an official note, the ministry that have received a request for information from the Prime Minister office include the Home Ministry, I&B Ministry, the Ministry of Election and Information Technology, the Department of Official Language. The list of those who received the mail also include the Home Secretary and the Information and Broadcasting Secretary. A Tamil Nadu fisherman sustained injuries to his eye after being allegedly attacked by Sri Lankan Navy, which also arrested 14 fishers are alleged maritime boundary violation, an official said. The injured fisherman was identified as Johnson of Rameswaram and he was injured in his eye when he Lankan naval personnel attacked him late on Wednesday. Further, 14 fishermen belonging the Nagapattinam district of the state were apprehended by the Lankan Navy. Their boat was seized. The twin incident have caused much apprehension among the fishermen and representatives said. An Uttarakhand forest official has been booked under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 as the Corbett Tiger Reserve Administration on Wednesday admitted that the tiger who entered the Marchula market in Almora district on Monday evening was killed in a firing by him, officials said. The forest guard of Mandal range of Corbett Tiger Reserve, Dheeraj Singh, had fired 2 rounds on the ground using 12-bore gun to scare away the big cat, and pellets of 1 round got hit in the right eye of the official said on the basis of prime facies evidence. The forest official has also been attached to Plan Range Office Sendikhal of the Kalagarh Tiger Reserve. We'll be back after a short break.
ITM हमारा, इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा।
Welcome to the Bharat. Ukraine Prime Minister Denis Shmyhal said the new Russian missile strike on Thursday targeted gas production facility and a missile plant. Interfax, Ukrainian news agency, reported. Missiles are flying over Kyiv right now. Now they are bombing our enterprises in Dnipro and Uzhhorod. It quoted him as telling a conference. Ukraine is likely to get access to the site in southern Poland where a missile killed 2 people, the Polish president of foreign policy advisor said on Thursday. After Kyiv demanded access to the scene of the blast, Polish President Andrzej Duda said on Wednesday that the access to the site of the explosion would require the agreement of the both countries leading the investigation, Poland and the United States. Italy newly elected far-right Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni met Chinese President Xi Jinping on the sideline of the G20 summit on Wednesday and accepted his invitation of to visit China. Her government said the meeting on the Indonesian resort Iceland of Bali was the first between the Chinese leader and the only woman to have ruled Italy on what was Xi's second foreign visit since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic. A young Indian batting unit means Rohit Sharma, KL Rahul and Virat Kohli fixed their muscles on the eve of the series opening first T20 against New Zealand in Wellington. Standing captain Hardik Pandya, wicketkeeper batter Rishabh Pant, batter Shubham Gill, all-rounder Deepak Hooda were all seen practice big hits on Thursday. BCCI shared a video of India net season in which pretty much all the batters hit lofted shots, giving an indication that the upcoming 3-match T20 series against New Zealand could signal the much-needed change in the approach of India's batting. That's all for the today. Thank you for watching Dibhat.